Oh, what's this? Oh, it's my phone. Alright. Welcome back, guys? God damn, it's been a minute. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Today, you guys can see we got a little bit of a, maybe it doesn't show exactly too much in the title, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing all detailed. Clearly, you guys can see how nasty. I mean, I literally get hate for this like every day. You guys are always telling me to clean my car, but you know what? It doesn't make any sense. Like, you clean your car, you go out and drive it, and it gets salty right away because the roads are wet, the roads are salty. So just look at the door handle, covered, the whole thing. So let's wash it. This is always the most satisfying part.
Don't even.
Not good.
Hold on.
So, oh wow, we're getting close.
Oh gosh. Wait, hold on, stop moving. Alright, that's good.
We got an issue. Was wondering why the faucet wasn't turning on for our hose. Went to the basement. It's like, hey, maybe there's a little shut-off tap. Maybe it's closed for the winter. No big deal. Opened it. Cool. We had water. Went on here. As you guys can see, we washed the car. If we go downstairs real quick, we have a bit of an issue. There is currently water all over the floor. You can see here. It's good, man. Now it's good. It's just water everywhere.
Yeah, that bag is soaked.
Well, we've managed. We got a soap bucket with some soap in it. I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of soap. Put a bunch in there, who cares? Just fill it all up with soap. The nice thing is it's like 40 degrees out today.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about your car drying onto you.
Sure.
Fast on ya, matey. So since we don't have a hose anymore, we're gonna grab our bucket here. Alright, so we're in a little bit of a time crunch, so I'm not really going to be too extensive with the whole like process and stuff like that. Me and Ryan are actually going to go ahead and go hardcore with this clay right now. You guys can buy this as a kit. Actually, Mother's has their own. This is not sponsored, but I just picked this up from Walmart like an hour ago. If I can show you guys, it comes with everything you need. The actual detailer, microfiber, and 2 bars of clay. So you kind of need to do this before you wax your car or polish your car as well. So just do it.
Okay.
It looks way better already.
We're looking at you.
Well, clay bar. There's really no visual effect, I guess.
That looks real shiny, man.
It looks shiny, but like the feel is where the clay bar is. Like, if you take your hand before you clay bar, it'll feel like you're rubbing over sand. Now it's just glass. You know, here you don't feel anything. That's what you want. That's the whole point. Basically, the reason why is you're not buffing all that junk back into your paint. It makes a lot of sense. Next, you gotta clean this whole engine bay because, I mean, I haven't cleaned it literally since this car has been put together. So it's really bad.
It still looks so clean though because of how bright the white is.
Well, yeah, but then like you look in close, like show them how, yeah.
Oh, that's, hold on, let's.
Good or not. Look down in here, bro. Look down in here. Can you show them down in there? Look at all the rocks.
That?
Like built.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. Sheesh.
So, a lot of you guys have been telling me to clean my hood, and that's exactly what we did today. Look at how much better. Okay, you guys were definitely right because it looks way better, super clean. I want to paint it all white, That'd be super fresh. One day, when we have time. I gotta show you guys, because this is a good representation right here. Hopefully it shows up on camera. Look at that white, and then look at. Oh no!
Back again like I never left. Young Sinai said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap packs to my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time. From the underground to the mainstream, my same team get all the shine. They wanna be, but I never knew. I just keep the peace and get.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
Okay. We skipped a lot, by the way. We skipped a lot. So, play bar the whole thing. I actually went ahead with some of this, and so you guys can show them that. That's number 2, mirror glaze. You can see it's kind of like a light cut, fine cut, mid cut, I guess. I don't know. It's midway in the scale of cut. And just to kind of get some of the swirls and oxidation out, got a little bit of it out. I didn't have the right pad to cut. This is more like a polishing pad, but now I just kind of went around the whole car, and we're doing a polishing. Hang on, a mirror glaze. Right here, machine, professional machine. It says outshines all of the machine applied polishes. So this door and this fender haven't even been polished yet. So we're gonna go ahead and finish that up. And then afterwards, to finish everything off, we gotta cap it off with a little bit of Carnauba? Is it Carnauba?
I thought so.
I think it's Carnauba. Carnauba wax.
Yeah.
Hand applied. We're almost there. It's getting dark, but
And it's cold.
it's not that bad.
I'm cold,
we got
man.
pizza.
Yeah, but our pizza's getting cold.
We got an oven though. With polishing, you kind of want to do medium speed, light pressure, super simple. I got the pad all saturated. I'm gonna kind of spread it around real quick. I do have a disclaimer though, by the way. I'm not a detailer. I should have taped all this off, but I'm not really too worried about it. And I don't really know what I'm doing, but it looks good. It's kind of the end goal, and I think we've achieved it. What do you think, Ryan?
Dude, it looks really good.
It looks pretty good.
I think it looks great.
Way better than when we started.
Oh yeah.
So that's that's a win.
Oh yeah.
Ryan's kind of over it. Ryan's over it. Ooh, all right. It's a new day. Can you guys see me? It's very cold this morning, but car is looking extremely clean. I couldn't really show you guys last night too well because it just got too dark, but goddamn, it looks good. I have an alignment to get done this morning, so let's head off to the little speed shop. Ooh, it's cold. Gotta give it a little bit of gas always because there's no idle like cold start valve or idle valve in general. When she's cold, she needs a little bit of help. You guys see me? Parked way over there. I thought I had to go over here, but actually we are at the little speed shop. You guys are local Rochester area. Go ahead and check these people out, man. All their info right there. They seriously work on some crazy stuff. A lot of Euro. A lot of crazy Euro stuff here. BMWs, that kind of stuff. So you guys are interested, need any sort of work done, restoration builds, they pretty much do it all here. Got a bunch of cool stuff around the lot. So by the way, we got our Ferrari race cards. Oh yeah, sure. Ooh. look who decided to join us. Mr. S2000, aka Mr. Johnny Tran. Didn't realize you drove this thing anymore. I thought you sold it. How's it feel? You're behind the wheel of a race car again.
Oh, a lot different than a 5.3 box.
Mm-hmm. A little different.
Some felt a little loose, honestly.
That's good. At least you're in the right spot for them to check it out. You need to. What a day.
Hi.
She's the owner of Little Speed Shop here. So we're just taking a quick little tour.
Yeah, so we started over here. This is like our race shop now. We do like fabrication and restoration.
Okay.
And all that jazz over here.
Yeah.
Secret donut.
Oh yeah, just a little pitch, right? Oh yeah, I've seen this before. I always drool over this thing in Cars and Coffee.
So that's 3.0, and then it has E90 M3, like the S65, like engine and drive.
Oh, no way.
In it. Yeah.
Wow.
With like the whole like E90 M3 suspension geometry and everything like that.
That's pretty serious.
And like a 3.0, so it's like a
that's rad.
engine and everything.
Oh, killer.
And all custom.
That's sweet.
That.
You don't see that very often at all.
No, we were like the first, yeah. I don't think anybody's done it.
914. These are
Yeah.
gorgeous.
But this is a 911 restoration. This is kind of like a resto mod, like the other one in the back.
Yeah.
Like 73 911, and then it's got like the 993 engine and drivetrain in it, and the suspension stuff.
Rad. Okay.
So,
new car and old skin.
yeah.
Okay.
Custom, like everything. Yeah. It's all like.
It's all custom exhaust, custom suspension, different engine transmission, the interior is all getting redone.
It's all custom. Yeah. Everything is like.
The only thing stock about the car is the body.
The body. Wow. That's so cool.
And this is all, we've done every single like thing customized.
That's crazy, yeah.
Exhaust, the diffuser's on up, but that diffuser,
Okay.
the
E36.
differential, all the suspension geometry, all like everything.
That's awesome. Oh wow, yeah, it's
Yeah. It's all custom ducting for the radiator, so the radiator's like this.
Yeah,
and it's never
V-mount,
like that
right.
in E36s. So it's all like
just everything gets
custom,
sucked right
like,
in. Yeah.
to get the most aero.
Right. Right.
So this client's very like specific.
Particular about his stuff. Yeah. So can someone out there please find me one of these ramp trucks? I need one. If the Porsche comes with it, it's fine, but I just need one of these trucks in my life. Oh. Okay. I don't want to get too close. Yeah. Oh man. Oh man.
I like this a lot.
Are you kidding me? Of course, dude. How could you not like this?
Oh my god.
Seeing a clean E30 alone is like,
Yeah,
Jesus.
in general.
Yeah. Do you know if this car is from up here, like from up north?
No, it's mine.
It's yours?
Yeah.
No way. Bro, this is gorgeous.
I bought it from my buddy in Jersey like 5 years ago.
Oops. So today, I guess we're gonna be going over this. What's in here? You know what I'm saying? I have myself have been refraining, if I could speak. It's been a while. I haven't done this YouTube thing in a minute. We got a bunch of parts in here, so I guess the first thing we got to do is just see what's inside. This has been in my room for like 3 days. I'm tired of looking at it, so.